Good morning. February 13th, Friday. Yesterday we allowed ourselves joy, and today we learn how to synthesize it. Welcome to the Ingenuity Workshop. Message of the day is: let's activate the biochemistry of embraces. An embrace is not just a gesture. It is a powerful biochemical tool that triggers a cascade of positive changes in our body. And here I want to share a little secret with you. The name of this project, Advanced Embrace, was not chosen by chance. My goal is to trigger that very same beneficial hormonal cocktail in your body through every morning message and every word of support. I want these virtual embraces to become a very real sense of safety and warmth for you. When we hug someone or even ourselves for more than 20 seconds, a real party begins in our bloodstream. Oxytocin switches off anxiety and builds a bridge of trust. It helps children grow and adults feel safe. Cortisol, the stress hormone, surrenders. Our muscles relax and the heart begins to beat in the rhythm of calm. Endorphins act as a natural painkillers, and cocktail of happiness hormones works better than any antidepressant. How can you use this right now? If someone is near you, embrace them. If you are alone, no problem. Wrap yourself in a soft blanket. Hold a warm cup of cocoa or stroke a cat. Even a hot shower can activate this touch armor against fear and pain. May your Friday become a day of the warmest inner chemical reactions. Go boldly for your dose of oxytocin. Hug at least 3 people or one very patient 4-legged friend 3 times for 20 seconds. I believe in each of you. Your Ingenuity workshop from Advance Embrace.